Good morning, Miami. I came inside as fast as I could because I keep hearing these things that fly over, like really, really loud things. And I'm like, I should really look and see what it is. And I was shocked to see a formation of airplanes. What do you think of the airplanes? They're loud, I know. Just love being outside. That was so loud! Are you enjoying this? Yeah, you are? Yeah? Oh, you're cute. You're a cutie! This is kind of cool. I wonder if I move spots, if I'll be able to see more. Or if I should just stay put. But I'm gonna try moving around. And I'm gonna try and get to the top of the parking garage structure, because I think I can head over there and see more, possibly. Well, I made it to the parking garage. I hear them, but I don't quite see them. So I never came on top of here before, but there's the city of Miami and a whole bunch of spots over here. Another apartment complex, some more apartment complexes, and that parking structure is Lincoln Road. I saw them. Oh, there they are. Wow, you see that line? They turned. See more from out here. It's so far out in the distance though, but that was really cool, them flying over the Flamingo Towers like that. Wow. Is this for Memorial Day? Makes me wonder if it is for Memorial Day. It's really hard to look at them and the camera and keep the sun out of my eyes. Wow, but they keep circling, and it's been going on all day. I wonder why. I also just love our balcony views, so sitting out here ain't so bad. Today. Oh, look, it's you! Ah.
Decorations.
Yes. Starting to decorate a little bit to make it feel more homey and more like homey. It's our place. Yes.
Well, it is our place.
Homey,
we live
homey,
here.
Homey.
This is our house.
This is your home.
You can go anywhere in the house except the West Wing.
What's in the
It's forbidden.
Oh. So those airplanes, huh? They were loud.
What airplanes?
The airplanes today. No, there were airplanes today, and it was loud. They were like fighter jets or something. I still haven't figured out why they were there.
Tomorrow's a big day.
Yes.
We're driving somewhere. Do we want to say where it is?
No, why?
Oh, right. We're going on a road trip tomorrow.
Yes.
Exciting.
We'll see you guys later.
Monkeys out.